My name is Mary Eugen. I am 74. I was experiencing a meniscus tear in each of my knees. One was one that had been there for about 9 years, and then I had a more recent one which was combined with a displaced kneecap. And just prior to when I started the procedure, I could barely walk. And I am a flight attendant, fully employed, and it was very, very difficult. I had seen Dr. Tambar, who did a presentation at Whole Foods, I think the year prior, and I had gone there and I had carried his information around for a year, and I just knew I wanted to do the procedure, and I knew I didn't want to do surgery. First of all, I went into it never thinking that it was not going to work. It didn't even occur to me that it was not going to be successful, and it was successful from minute one. At the time of my first 2 knee procedures, it was a 3-part procedure where the first procedure was PRP, and then a week later it was the stem cell bone marrow extraction and PRP injection, and then the 3rd procedure was PRP. I think it has changed slightly since then, and with my knees I felt almost instant relief. Right. And my success with my knees has been 100%. My knees are perfect. I have no pain whatsoever in my knees. And I have to say a good part of that has been the fact that I've been doing physical therapy constantly since the procedures. And I think that's a really key component of this whole procedure. Dr. Tambar is one of the finest human beings on the planet.
Thank you for that.
And he is so kind and so nice, and he tells you exactly what he's going to do before he does it. And he'll tell you it's going to be a pinch and a burn, and you know what? It's a pinch and a burn. And he's just so kind, and he's just the best. And I talk about him constantly, and because he's helped me so tremendously, and I'm thrilled that I've done this, and I would continue to do it for the rest of my life as long as I was told there would be hope for improvement. But I'm thrilled with the procedure.